Hello, today I'm going to be telling you some of the bones in the axial skeleton. So, this is my list. So that's what I'm going to be going by. I'm going to get started. I've been having some trouble with the lighting, so hopefully this works well. Okay, so the frontal bone is right here, and then you have the parietal bone back here. Then you have the temporal bone is this right here. And the occipital bone is the one back here. Okay, so the nasal bone is going to be right there. The maxilla is right here. The mandible bone is down here. And then you have some parts of the mandible. This is the mandibular notch right here. This whole little notch right here. The mandibular condyle is the back part right here, and then you have the cornoid process of the mandible is the one in front right there, and the mandibular ramus is this whole part right here. Okay, so the zygomatic bone is going to be this bone. The sphenoid bone is this one right here. Then we have the vomer bone is this right here. Well, yeah, can you see that? Okay. That one. Then you have lacrimal and ethmoid bone. So the lacrimal is going to be right in here, and then the ethmoid is right behind it. And the mastoid process is going to be this right here. You see that right there. And then you have the styloid process, which is this. Try to get close so you can see this right here. This little part. Okay. The foramen magnum is, you can't really tell because the head's attached. Well, it's back there is where your spinal cord meets the head, is the little hole. The squamous suture is going to be this one right here. The external auditory meatus, this little hole looking thing right here. There we go. The lambdoidal suture and the coronal suture. So your lambdoidal suture is the little V shape back here, and the coronal suture is, you can see it. Well, it's right there. This one right there. And then you have your sagittal suture is the one that meets the coronal suture right there. And the mental foramen is up here. The little, right there. Alright, so that was 25 of them. And that's the end of my video. Thanks.